problem when the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees through an angle 45 degrees, the transformed equation of a curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. Find the original equation of the curve. Find the original equation of the curve. Solution. Solution. Given theta is equal to 45 degrees. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Also, given the transformed equation is, since the given equation is the transformed equation, so I am writing in terms of capital X and capital Y, is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. Equation number 1. We know that here capital X, capital Y, small x, small y, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. From this table, I have to find the original equations, means the equation should be in terms of small x and small y. We know that small x is equal to capital X cos theta. Sorry, we have to get the original equations, means we have to get an equation in terms of small x and small y. So we have to take capital X. Capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, which is equal to small x cos theta value is 45 plus y sin 45, which is equal to x cos 45 value 1 by root 2 plus y sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Therefore, capital X is equal to x plus y by root 2. Also, capital Y is equal to minus small x sin theta plus y cos theta, which is equal to minus x sin 45 plus y cos 45, which is equal to minus x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2, which is equal to y minus x by root 2. Now substituting this capital X and capital Y value in equation number 1, we get substitute capital X and capital Y values in equation number 1, we get 17x square, x is small x plus small y by root 2 whole square, minus 16xy, x is small x plus small y by root 2 into small y minus small x by root 2 plus 17y square, that is y minus x by root 2 whole square, is equal to 225. This implies 17 x plus y whole square by under root 2 whole square can be written as 2 minus 16 into this one can be written as y plus x into y minus x. X plus y and y minus y plus x both are same. Root 2 into root 2 2 plus 17 y minus x whole square by 2 is equal to 2 to 5. 17 LCM x plus y whole square minus 16 y plus x into y minus x. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square plus 17 y minus x whole square by 2 is equal to 2 to 5. Now sending this 2 to the right hand side, 17 into x plus y whole square minus 16 into y square minus x square plus 17 into y minus x whole square is equal to 2 into 225 is 450. Now 17 into a plus b whole square form, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 16y square minus into minus plus 16x square plus 17 into a minus b whole square form, y square plus x square minus 2xy is equal to 450. This implies 17x square plus 17y square plus 34xy minus 16y square plus 16x square plus 17y square plus 17x square minus 34xy is equal to 450. Minus 34xy plus 34xy get cancelled. Now first x square term, 17x square plus 16x square 33, 33x square plus 17x square is 50x square. 17y square minus 16y square is 1y square. 1y square plus 17y square is 18y square is equal to 450. Now this one can be written as 50x square by 450 plus 18y square by 450 is equal to 1. 0 0 get cancelled, 5 ones are 5 9s are 9 2s are 9 5 zeros are 2 ones are 2 25s are. This implies x square by 9 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Therefore the original equation of the curve is x square by 9 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Next problem. When the axes are rotated, when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6, find the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. Solution. Given angle theta is equal to pi by 6. Given angle theta is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees. Also given Since we have to find the transformed equation of this equation, we have to find the transformed equation, means the given equation is the original equation. Given the original equation is x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. We know that. Let us take this one as equation number 1. Since we have to find the transformed equations, means I have to find the equation in terms of capital X and capital Y. So let us take small x and small y. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, which is equal to capital X cos 30 degrees minus capital Y sin 30 degrees. Capital X cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 minus capital Y sin 30 value is 1 by 2, which is equal to root 3x minus y by 2. Similarly, small y is capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta, which is equal to capital X sin 30 degrees plus capital Y cos 30 degrees, which is equal to capital X into 1 by 2 plus capital Y into root 3 by 2, which is equal to capital X plus root 3y by 2. Now substitute small x and small y values in equation number 1. We get, substitute this small x value and this small y value in equation number 1. First, small x square, that is root 3 capital X minus capital Y by 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 into xy root 3 capital X minus capital Y by 2 into capital X plus root 3 capital Y by 2 minus y square x plus root 3 y by 2 whole square is equal to 2a square, is equal to 2a square. Now this one can be written as root 3 x minus y whole square by 2 square, that is 4, plus 2 root 3 into root 3 x minus y into x plus root 3 y by 2 into 2 is 4 minus x plus root 3 y whole square by 4 is equal to 2a square. LCM root 3 x minus y whole square plus 2 root 3 into root 3 x minus y into x plus root 3 y minus x plus root 3 y whole square by 4 is equal to 2a square. Now send this 4 here and expand this. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus 2 root 3. Now multiply this one into this one into this one first. Root 3 x square plus root 3 into root 3, 3xy. Now this one into this one and this one into this one, minus xy minus root 3 y square. Now this one minus, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus root 3 y whole square plus 2 into x into root 3y is equal to, if it 4 it goes here, it becomes 8a square. This implies root 3 square is 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3 xy plus 2 root 3 into root 3 x square plus 3x square minus 3xy minus xy is 2xy. 2xy into this one. This one becomes 2xy. 2 root 3 into 2xy minus 2 root 3 into root 3 y square minus x square minus 3y square minus 2 root 3 xy is equal to 8a square. 8a square. Now 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3 xy plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 2 6x square plus 4 root 3 xy minus 6y square minus x square minus 3y square minus 2 root 3 xy is equal to 8a square. 3x square plus 6x square 9x square. 9x square minus x square is 8x square. Now y square terms. Y square minus 6y square, that is minus 5y square. Minus 5y square minus 3y square is minus 8y square. Minus 2 root 3 xy plus 4 root 3 xy is 2 root 3 xy. 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy. This becomes 0 is equal to 8a square. 8 common and cancel on both sides. X square minus y square is equal to a square. Therefore, the transformed equation is x square minus y square is equal to a square. Similarly, do this one as a homework. When the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4, find the transformed equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. When the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4, we have to find the transformed equation of this curve. You can go through the above problem for reference. Same to same, just the equation and angle is different. And the answer you have to get is answer you have to get is 8 x square minus 2y square is equal to 9. This one you have to get as a answer. Now next problem. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted by the translation of axis so as to remove the first degree terms from the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where h square is not equal to ab. H square is not equal to ab. Solution: we have to find the point to which the origin is shifted by the translation of axis, so that after translation the transformed equation does not contain the first degree terms, So now, since already the given equation contains small h, now I am not going to consider the required point as h comma k, because if I consider, you may get confused with the point h and this one. So let the origin is shifted to alpha comma beta by the translation of axis. I am not saying rotation of axis, I am saying translation of axis. Given equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, equation number 1. We know that the translation of axis formula, small x is equal to capital X plus h. Here in place of h I took alpha comma beta. Alpha small y is equal to capital Y plus k, that is beta. Substitute small x comma small y values in equation number 1. We get, that is, a into capital X plus alpha whole square plus 2h into capital X plus alpha into capital Y plus beta plus b into capital Y plus beta whole square plus 2g into capital X plus alpha plus 2f into capital Y plus beta plus c is equal to 0. Now expand this one. A into, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, x square plus alpha square plus 2x alpha plus 2h into, now multiply this one into this one, these two brackets, xy plus x beta plus alpha y plus alpha beta plus, now this one, b into y square plus beta square plus 2 beta y plus 2 gx plus 2g alpha plus 2fy plus 2f beta plus c is equal to 0. Now this one can be written as ax square plus a alpha square plus 2a alpha x plus 2hxy plus 2h beta x plus 2h alpha y plus 2h alpha beta plus by square plus b beta square plus 2b beta y plus 2gx plus 2g alpha plus 2fy plus 2f beta plus c is equal to 0. Now first x square terms, only one term is there of x square in the whole equation, ax square. Now xy terms, 2hxy, only one term, 2hxy. Now y square terms, y square term is only 1 plus by square. Now x terms, 2a alpha plus, I am taking x common from this one, 2h beta, next from this one 2g into x. Now plus taking y constant from this term, we will get 2h alpha plus from this one 2b beta plus from this one 2f into y, and remaining all are constant, plus a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square plus 2g alpha plus 2f beta plus c is equal to 0. In the statement clearly given that we have to remove the first degree terms from the transformed equation. We have to remove the first degree terms. This is of degree 2, this is of degree 1 plus 1, that is 2, degree of degree is 2. This is of degree, x degree is 1, so we have to remove this one. Y degree is 1, we have to remove this one. This is the degree of 0, so we can't remove this one, we have to remove this one and this one. So equation number 2. If the equation 2 has to be free from the first degree terms, means the equation should not contain the first degree term, means I have to make this one as 0 and this one as 0. Then we have 2a alpha plus 2h beta plus 2g is equal to 0, and this one 2h alpha plus 2b beta plus 2f is equal to 0. From this one I am going to take 2 common and sending to right hand side, we will get a alpha plus h beta plus g is equal to 0, and here also 2 common and sending to that side, h alpha plus b beta plus f is equal to 0. Equation number 3. Equation number 4. Now we have to solve equation number 3 and 4. Solving equation number 3 and 4, we get alpha beta constant 1. First equation, h, next g, next again a, again h. First this coefficient, then this one, again h. Same thing here, first b, then f, then h, then b. This implies alpha by hf minus bg, which is equal to beta by gh minus af. is equal to 1 by AB minus H square. Now this one is equal to this one is equal to this one. I am going to write. So we will get alpha by HF minus BG is equal to 1 by AB minus H square, and beta by GH minus AF is equal to 1 by AB minus H square. Now send this term to that side. We will get alpha is equal to HF minus BG by AB minus H square, and here beta is equal to GH minus AF by AB minus H square. Therefore the origin is shifted to alpha comma beta, that is HF minus BG by AB minus H square comma GH minus AF by AB minus H square. This is the point. Now next problem. Show that the axes are to be rotated through an angle of half tan inverse 2h by a minus b, so as to remove x into y term from the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 if a is not equal to b, and through the angle pi by 4 if a is equal to b. We have to show that axes are rotated through this angle if a is not equal to b in this equation, if a is equal to b in this equation, but in the transformed equation there should be no x into y term. The axes are to be rotated through this angle so as to remove x into y term from the transformed equation of this equation when a is not equal to b, and the angle should be pi by 4 if a is equal to b. Solution. Let the angle of rotation be theta. Given equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Equation number 1. We know that. Now I have to transform this equation. We know that to transform this equation, the transformed equation is in term of capital X and capital Y. So we will get small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Substituting 2 in equation number 1. So what you will get? Substitute 2 in 1. We get a into capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta whole square plus 2h into capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta into capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta plus b into capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta whole square is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now expand this one. A into x square cos square theta plus y square sin square theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta plus 2h into, now this one into this one, x square sin theta cos theta plus this one into this one, xy cos square theta, now this one into this one, minus xy sin square theta, now this one into this one, minus y square sin theta cos theta plus p into x square sin square theta plus y square cos square theta plus 2xy sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. This implies a into x square cos square theta plus a y square sin square theta minus 2a xy sin theta cos theta plus 2h x square sin theta cos theta plus 2hxy cos square theta minus 2hxy sin square theta minus 2hy square sin theta cos theta plus bx square sin square theta plus by square cos square theta plus 2bxy sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. First I am going to take x square terms common, x square. So first here we will get a cos square theta, this one, next this one, 2h sin theta cos theta plus b sin square theta plus now xy term minus 2a sin theta cos theta plus 2h cos square theta minus 2h sin square theta plus 2b sin theta cos theta plus now y square terms. What are the y square terms? A sin square theta, next 2h sin theta cos theta plus b cos square theta is equal to 0. In the statement clearly given that in the transformed equation we have to remove the x into y term, means in the transformed equation we have to remove x into y term. What is the x into y term? Means this term I have to make equal to 0. To remove capital X into y term from the equation, we have to equate the coefficient of capital X capital Y term to 0. That is this bracket we have to make to 0. Minus 2a sin theta cos theta, 2h cos square theta minus 2h sin square theta plus 2b sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. This implies this one is minus a sin 2 theta. Now I am writing this one here, plus b sin 2 theta plus now this one becomes 2h common, cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 0. How I wrote this one? Since sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, formula 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. Same thing here. From these two I am going to take b minus a sin 2 theta plus this one can be written as 2h into cos square theta minus sin square theta. This one can be written as cos 2 theta. Since cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 0. Now I am sending this term to the right hand side. So 2h cos 2 theta is equal to b minus a becomes a minus b sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. Now this one can be written as h cos 2 theta is equal to a minus b by 2 into sin 2 theta. Now case 1. If a is equal to b. If a is equal to b, then h cos 2 theta is equal to a minus b. Since a is equal to b, a minus b becomes 0. This implies cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Cos will become 0 if 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees. This implies theta is equal to pi by 4. If a is equal to case 2. If a is not equal to b, then this one becomes 2h by a minus b is equal to sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. Just cross multiplied. I centered this cos here and centered this here. This implies 2h by a minus b is equal to sin by cos is tan 2 theta. Is tan 2 theta. Continue, I am writing here. Now I am sending tan here, so it becomes 2 theta is equal to tan inverse 2h by a minus b. Now sending this 2 here, theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. This one only we have to prove. If a is not equal to b, we have to prove theta is equal to half tan inverse tan 2h by a minus b. If a is equal to b, we have to prove pi by 4. Pi by